Today, you're going to unleash your inner animator by learning the Gide Liene technique within Adobe Animate. Let's start by opening Adobe Animate and creating a new project. Select your desired settings, but make sure your frame rate is at least 20 frames per second for smooth animation now. Import or draw your character. A simple character in a pose works great for our starting example. The Gide Liene technique hinges on precise timing and key poses to tell a story. The initial pose we set must look dynamic. Next, make a keyframe at approximately frame 10. Select the character and change the pose. Let's lower the body as if it's about to get ready for action, while lifting the arms. Now, go to frame 20. This keyframe is your character's climax of the action. Change the pose again. Make sure the action looks compelling. Consider how the character's weight shifts and how the form changes as the character executes the action. These poses are the foundation. Now populate the in-between keyframes along your timeline to see a rough, animated result between all the keyframes. Smooth out the animation to generate natural motion. Play with the character by adding some more poses to it by adding keyframes between the existing ones, or play around with the timing, and you're starting to see the Gide Liene technique in action to make it ready for exporting. Remember to include the frame rate, duration, and compression settings. Practice and experimenting are the keys to mastery.